Short sentences. How are you? How are you? I don't know. I don't know. Call me back. Call me back. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I have no idea. I have no idea. No thanks, I am okay. No thanks, I am okay. How's it going? How's it going? Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Don't worry. Don't worry. How old are you? How old are you? It's okay. It's okay. I am busy. I am busy. I am sorry. I am sorry. Be careful. Be careful. It was really good. It was really good. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I agree. I agree. See you. See you. God bless you. God bless you. I do not understand. I do not understand. It really takes time. It really takes time. What is your name? What is your name? I am not really sure. I am not really sure. You inspire me. You inspire me. Are you there? Are you there? I need a little help. I need a little help. I feel much better. I feel much better. Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Keep it there. Keep it there. You do it yourself dislike. You do it yourself dislike. Please help yourself. Please help yourself. Please say something. Please say something. You are so lucky. You are so lucky. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Keeps it under wraps. Keeps it under wraps. Can I come tomorrow? Can I come tomorrow? I haven't told anyone. I haven't told anyone.